2014 GMC Sierra with the 5.3. Customer complaint is running bad. To me, it's misfiring. This is what I got for codes. Okay, so it has 627 miles. So I did a compression check, and these are the numbers I got. A number 2 cylinder, I have 220, which is good, and I did it twice. So on the number 4, the cylinder that's misfiring, I have 20 psi, 113. I did it a third time, it's 15 psi, and then the fourth, 115. So it's uneven. So I decided to take the valve cover off to check the lifters, and I found a bad lifter, a collapsed lifter, causing a misfire, no compression. Okay, so this one here is the exhaust on number 2 cylinder. You see, if I push on it, it's tight, it doesn't move. This is the intake for number 2 cylinder. Right, so this is the number 4 exhaust. If I push down on it, you'll see that it's bad. I shouldn't do that. The intake on number 4, good. So this right here is causing the no compression, causing the misfire. So this one has the active fuel management lifters, and this one appears to be collapsed on the exhaust on number 4 cylinder. So the active cylinders on bank 2 is number 4 and number 6. They're both in the middle. And the other cylinders on the other side is 1 and 7. So when I mean collapsed lifter, this is what I mean. I did one before already, and if you can see this one here, it's not, the spring is not collapsed here, but on this one here you see it collapsed. So what I'm saying is this is collapsed on that number 4 cylinder exhaust, and to fix you got to replace it. I'm probably gonna do all of them on bank 2 because it has the head's got to come out to do it. It's kind of a big job. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.